One of the people who is resented by Allah is the one who remain ignorant to the affairs of the hereafter. However, he continues to grow in terms of worldly knowledge. I'll repeat it again. One of the sins that many people may not realize is to stay ignorant about the affairs of the hereafter, but keep on pursuing an elaborate understanding of the worldly knowledge. So when the reminders reach him, there are two types of reminders that comes to us: the Book of Allah and the Sunnah. When the reminders reach him, he disregards them. Although he does not claim to be kufr altogether, but he disregards the reminders. To disregard the reminders mean, firstly, he never wants to study and put any effort in understanding them. Secondly, he disrespects the reminders within the Book of Allah and the Sunnah. And third one is, he completely ignores any reminders that comes from the Book of Allah and the Sunnah. This is what we should really be worried about. Many people do not commit adultery. Many people never drink alcohol, yes. But unfortunately, these people remain ignorant to Allah's reminders too. They never learn the Quran and Sunnah. They do not understand them. And they disregard these reminders revealed by Allah. This sin is categorized as a very big sin. Some of our ulama even stated and categorized the sin of the people who never study the reminders of Allah within the Quran and the Sunnah is a sin that can lead to the cancellation of one's Islam, just like flatulence nullifies one's wudu'. Where's the evidence in the Quran that says it is sinful not to study the affairs of the akhirah, that it is a major sin that could lead to the cancellation of one's Islam, just like flatulence cancels one's wudu'? The ayah is in the Surah As-Sajdah verse 22. Allah says, وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنْ ذُكِّرَ بِآيَاتِ رَبِّهِ ثُمَّ أَعْرَضَ عَنْهَا إِنَّا مِنَ الْمُجْرِمِينَ مُنْتَقِمُونَ. He says, who is more unjust? And the one who is reminded of the verses of his Lord, ثُمَّ أَعْرَضَ. We gave them reminders. As I said, there are two types of reminders, the Book of Allah and the Sunnah. ثُمَّ أَعْرَضَ. Then he turns away from them. إِنَّا مِنَ الْمُجْرِمِينَ مُنْتَقِمُونَ. Indeed, we from the criminals will take retributions. Let us examine the interpretation of the word أَعْرَضَ. Don't confuse the word أَعْرَضَ with kafara. Kafara means to disbelieve. For example, this is the Quran. Then someone says, I disbelieve. I do not believe in the Quran. That is kafara. This is a hadith. Someone says, I do not believe in that hadith. That is kafara. Unlike a'rada means to turn away. What is the example? Well, for example, someone offers me a drink, and when he offers me that drink, I do not respond to what he says. He says, what do you want to do with the drink? I keep quiet. Then he brings me a drink. I act as if nothing has happened. I do not say that I don't want a drink. I don't say that. I don't say that I don't like that drink. I don't say any of that. But I just keep quiet. I have no response. That is a'rada. Who are the people of a'rada within a halaqah? These are the people that when the Quran and Sunnah come to them and they are asked, do you believe in the Quran and the Hadith? They say, yeah, sure. They say that. They believe in the Quran and the Sunnah. But they are not motivated to study Allah's reminders within the Quran and the Sunnah. They disregard them. They have no comment on them. They had no time at all to study the reminders that Allah sent within the two reminders. Monday to Friday, he works. Friday to Saturday, he's absorbed in his hobbies. Monday to Friday, he works. Friday to Saturday, he's absorbed in his hobbies. Still, he never gets motivated to learn anything inside the Quran and the Sunnah. That is a'rada, even if he does not claim to be kufr to those reminders. This is a'rada. We have to know that a'rada is one of the sins resented by Allah.